Hey everyone, check out this durable polypropylene pool safety cover designed for your 18 by 36-foot in-ground pool. It features high-strength triple stitching and comes with a complete set of sturdy stainless steel installation accessories. The smart material allows water to pass through while effectively blocking leaves, snow, and stubborn debris. Actual coverage is 2 feet larger than the ordered size to ensure a secure and perfect fit. Installation is straightforward with the adjustable rope and reliable anchor system. Keep your pool in pristine condition all winter long and enjoy peace of mind next spring. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.